To check your Assurance Wireless application status online, visit assurancewireless.com. Log in using your email and password. Navigate to the My Account or Application Status section. Here, you'll find updates like pending review, approved, denied, or shipped if a device is included. This method offers instant status checks for most users and is available 24/7. For security, enable two-factor authentication. Remember, you must have already submitted an application online or by mail to check your status. To check your Assurance Wireless application status by phone, call 1-888-898-4888. This toll-free number is available 24/7. Provide your account number, application ID, or personal details for verification. A customer service agent will give you real-time updates on your application status. Be aware that hold times can be longer during peak periods. While convenient, this method may take 5 to 10 minutes for the agent to verify your eligibility and provide the update. Note that international calls are not supported.